For me, the support I've received from all the FORZA technicians has been very important. But above all, more than just the technician themselves, it's the human quality that truly matters. Because throughout this journey, I've met many people, many engineers, who have supported me whenever I've needed help. Hello everyone, my name is Carlos Almeida, I'm 45 years old, and I'm currently located in Carcelin. Honestly, I'd had this idea in my mind for about 2 years already. Truly, for a long time, but I still hadn't managed to solidify it. That is to say, I couldn't find anyone to actually sell me the machine. I searched online many times, repeatedly, and then, of course, by talking to people who approached me and who were involved in the world of metal and everything related to it, they ended up telling me about you. And honestly, they really convinced me because in addition to having the machine, the service, and the technical support, there's also the after-sales support. That includes everything related to spare parts and the ease with which they can help us at any moment to configure or adjust any cut. I had already heard about FORZA, so I went to the website, I looked for more detailed information, and then, of course, with the help of an advisor, I got more involved in learning what the cutting process is like, what the machine is capable of, the types of materials, and the thicknesses it can handle, everything. Honestly, it's a significant gamble. It's truly a gamble on creativity. More than that, it's a gamble on adeptly managing to distinct worlds that, in a certain way, I personally handle. One of these is the graphic part, encompassing all the visual content, and the other is the metals aspect, meaning the direct work with metal. My core intention, or rather our collective intention, is to skillfully combine these two, the sheer creativity and meticulous design with the inherent theme of metal and laser cutting itself. It's truly satisfying, so satisfying because an idea, a concept, is taken to the screen, to the design. But when the product is finished and we deliver it to a satisfied client, it truly fills us with joy. Honestly, I was impacted because it's very precise. It's highly technological, truly. You can save a lot of time and knowing how to take advantage of all the capabilities of this machine, honestly. Primarily, I have the FORZA Raptor 1500, with which we can cut metals, we can cut various and different thicknesses. I have the FORZA for Pro, with that we can cut wood, we can cut acrylic, we can engrave glass. We can do an endless number of elements as I manage everything related to design, and we can make boxes, we can make graphic proposals of any shape, whether it's keychains, coasters, etc. There's an endless number of things. It's very broad, everything we can do with these machines, and finally, I have the fiber engraving machine. With the fiber engraving machine, we can engrave metals with very high precision. So, I've made metal business cards engraved with names for some companies. Wow, honestly, it's complex, it's not easy. My day-to-day is from scratch. I do everything from quotes. We make the technical visit to the client. We talk, we plan with a person what they need. We make graphic proposals, the cut is made. Finish is done, a polish on whatever surface it may be. We have a very high quality control in which we provide the client with a very guaranteed product. Honestly, it's complicated, it's 24/7, it's single quote shard work. You want to work for yourself. But it's not easy, you have to dedicate yourself and put more passion into what you want. Honestly, it has been very important because, at FORZA, they haven't just worried about the sale itself. Rather, it has been a very important after-sales service. For example, in terms of accompaniment with training, and not just technical training, on the machine and its parameterization, but also advice on managing social media on our after-sales theme as such. So we have always been supported, and the technical service is indeed important. But for me, the support I've received from all the FORZA technicians is very important. But above all, more than the technician themselves, it's the human quality. Because I've met many people, many engineers, who have supported me when I've needed help, when I've had a doubt. Of course, honestly, I'm happy, I can't deny it. I'm happy with the machine I have and with the work I'm doing. And my dad was always a lover of metal and all this type of work. But seeing the machine work, my dad was amazed, not to mention other people who have been working for years with this type of metals and who now have a tool in their hands to be able to increase their productivity, so highly recommended. On our networks or on our Instagram, you can find us. Also on Facebook as Alquimiacat on Metal, you can locate us. We have our website. We try to be present across the entire network and also our WhatsApp business where we are. Attentive to any questions, what do? We really do a lot of design. Outdoor designs, indoor designs, corporate designs. We do all kinds of accessories for the office, for the house, for the home, whether it's lamps, room dividers, enclosures, doors, gates, door covers. Honestly, it's an endless number of things.